Hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how we can share a Google Sheets file as editable. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application and my phone, and for example I'm going to make this Google Sheets file editable. So we can click on this three dots on the file, and here we have some options and we have to select manage access. Okay, and if you want to share this Google Sheets as editable for a specific account or certain account, you can click on this icon. Then you can add people or groups right here so they can edit your Google Sheets file. But if you want to make it editable by everyone, you can click on restricted right here and click on restricted again. Then you can select anyone with the link and make sure that you select editor. So here we have three options: viewer, commenter, and editor. And we can click on editor if we want to make it editable by everyone. Okay, and now anyone or everyone can edit this Google Sheets file. Alright guys, and that's how we can make and share a Google Sheets file as editable. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.